Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about eukaryotic cells. As we know, there are two types of cell found in living organism. One is prokaryotic cell and other is eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell is primitive type and eukaryotic cells are more complex and more advanced than prokaryotic cells. In prokaryotic cells, there is a presence of membrane-bound, well-defined nucleus and other cell organelles. This is the structure of typical eukaryotic animal cell. As we know, animal cell externally bounded by a plasma membrane. Well-defined membrane-bound nucleus is present at the center of the cell. Other cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, mitochondria, Golgi complex, centriole, etc. are found suspended into the cytoplasm of the cell. So, this is the typical structure of eukaryotic cell. Now, how we can say this animal is eukaryote or prokaryote? And eukaryote is any organism whose cells containing a nucleus and other cell organelle enclosed within membrane, whereas a prokaryote is any organism whose cell cannot contain a nucleus and other membrane-bound cell organelles. Eukaryotes include all the protista, plant, animal, and fungi. Eukaryotic cell possess organized nucleus with nuclear envelope. Their genetic material is organized into chromosomes. Nucleus contain a thread-like structure called chromatin thread. At the time of cell division, this chromatin thread becomes thick and condensed and form chromosome. Next, we discuss cell membrane of eukaryotic cell, which is mainly composed up of protein, lipid, and a small percentage of carbohydrate. Composition of eukaryotic cell membrane varies from cell to cell. Next, we discuss cell wall. Plant and fungus cell is covered by rigid cell wall. Cell wall of fungus is made up of chitin, and cell wall of algae and higher plants made up of cellulose. And we are aware about animal cell does not possess any cell wall. Next is plasmodesmata. These are cytoplasmic strands which act as intercellular junction between the adjacent plant cells where secondary cell wall is absent. This help in exchange of materials between the cells. Next, we are going to discuss about the function of the cell wall. It provides protection from mechanical injuries and prevent entry of pathogens. Next is it provides mechanical support and maintain shape of the cell and also help in cellular interaction. Now we are going to discuss about endomembrane system of the cell. There are many types of membrane bound cell organelles which collectively form endomembrane system because of their function are coordinated. This system includes endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes and vacuoles. Now we are going to discuss about nucleus. Nucleus is the most prominent, largest membrane-bound organelle of the cell. Nucleus firstly described by Robert Brown in 1831. Nucleus present in all the eukaryotic cells except mature RBCs. Usually, cells have a single nucleus and they said to be mononuclear. Some cells like liver cells has two nucleus and they said to be binucleated. Cells with many nuclei are called as polynucleated cells. This is all about eukaryotic cells. Thank you.